Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. In our last video, we have read about abstract nouns and I hope your concept is clear and you all know about abstract nouns. Today we are going to start our second unit, that is determiners. Let's take some examples, and the first one is, can I have some chocolates please? Rohan wants to be a doctor. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Here, some, a, and the, these words are determiners. How can we say that these words are determiners? Because these words are used at the beginning of a noun and show that how the noun is being used. मीन्स जो नाउन से पहले यूज होते हैं और ये बताते हैं कि नाउन को कैसे यूज किया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिटर्मिनर्स. सो चॉकलेट्स इज नाउन and some is determiner. So some refers to a noun, some is determiner, and chocolate is naming word. A doctor is naming word, a is determiner. Here a refers to a noun. An apple, an is determiner, apple is naming word. Here an refers to a noun. The doctor, the is determiner and doctor is naming word. So we can say that some, a, and the, these all are determiners. Or we can say that determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. For example, my pen. Pen is naming word, my is determiner because my refers to a noun and it is used at the beginning of a noun. Some chocolates, this book, a horse, my, some, this, a. These all are determiners because these are used at the beginning of a noun and they show that how the noun is being used. Or we can say that a determiner comes at the beginning of a noun phrase to point out the nouns. Determiner हमेशा कहाँ यूज होता है? नाउन फ्रेज से पहले. और किसे पॉइंट आउट करता है? नाउन को पॉइंट आउट करता है. For example, I have a few friends. Here few is determiners and friends is naming word. Some is determiner and students is naming word. The is determiner and morning is naming word. These words refer to a noun. That's why these are called determiners. And we can say that a determiner tells us whether the noun phrase is specific or general. Determiner हमें ये भी बताता है कि noun phrase specific है या general है. Specific means when we particularize a thing. जब हम किसी thing को particularize करते हैं और specifically बताते हैं कि this pen, my pen. So these are specific determiners. For example, my sister is a doctor. I'm talking about my sister. That's why my is specific determiner. Sister is noun. So we can say that my refers to a noun and that is specific determiner. There are another example of specific determiners. The, your, this, these, are, my, its, that, which, their. These all are example of specific determiners. Next is general determiners. When you refer to someone or something in general, use a general determiner. जब हम generally किसी की बात करते हैं, that is general determiners. For example, a doctor, a boy, a girl. I am not talking about particular person. I am just saying a boy, a doctor. Here, a is general determiner. Either, neither, all, a, and, any, another, both, some, less, least, a few, each, every. These all are example of general determiners. When we talk about something in a very general way. There are another example of determiners. Lot, a lot, few, a few, little, a little, enough. These also are determiners. Lot का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Here we use with both countable and uncountable nouns. हम इसका दोनों के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं, काउंटेबल्स के साथ भी और अनकाउंटेबल्स के साथ भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स. मेरे पास बहुत सारी बुक है. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर. मेरे पास बहुत सारी शुगर है. शुगर को आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज अनकाउंटेबल. तो इसके लिए आप लॉट, अलॉट दोनों वर्ड का यूज़ कर सकते हो। few, a few, few means होता है कुछ। only with countable to specify number, for example I have got a few friends, मेरे कुछ ही friends हैं। okay, we can say that one or two, that is few। next is little, a little, हम इसका यूज़ क्वांटिटी के लिए करते हैं जिसे आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते, और फ्यू का यूज़ कहाँ करते थे, काउंटेबल्स के साथ जिसे आप काउंट कर सकते थे। लिटिल का यूज़ कहाँ करते हैं, जिसे आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते, क्वांटिटी के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ लिटिल मिल्क, अ लिटिल हॉट। इनफ विद काउंटेबल एज वेल एज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स। इनफ का यूज़ आप काउंटेबल के साथ और अनकाउंटेबल दोनों के साथ कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल I haven't got enough money. There are not enough sandwiches. मेरे पास enough sandwiches नहीं हैं। And there is difference between few and little. Few friends means almost no friends. We can say that I have just one or two, और या नहीं भी हो सकते, that is few. Little hope, almost no hope means है ही नहीं। If I say I have little milk, I can say just थोड़ा सा, बहुत कम, जिसे आप पी भी नहीं सकते, उसकी क्वांटिटी बहुत कम होती है। This is our first worksheet and that is some newspapers. Here some is determiners, determiner, and newspaper is naming word, and egg cartoon, a cardboard। वोवेल साउंड से पहले हमेशा एन का यूज़ होता है और कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से पहले हमेशा अ का यूज़ होता है। हियर एग वोवेल साउंड है, दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर एन। अ कार्डबोर्ड, हियर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है, दैट इज वाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर अ। सम फोम, अ फ्यू पेंट ब्रशेस, सेवरल फोटोग्राफ्स, मैनी रिबन पीसेस, मैनी imitation jewels, a lot of cotton balls, a little glue. So some, an, a, some, a few, several, many, a lot of, a little. These all are determiners because these are used at the beginning of a noun and show that how the noun